Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current air temperature outside coming in at a warm 85 degrees. We have a dew point of 62, and we are headed to another warm day here, probably running around 5 to 6 degrees above our normal for this time of year, around the 90-degree mark, 91 degrees maybe. A lot of sunshine, and as I mentioned, that north wind continues to blow now at about 9. The wind a little bit more northerly than easterly at this hour. That's helping to keep our dew points lower. It's the beginnings of a frontal boundary passage that will take us through dew points that fall into the 50s as we head into the next couple of days. And the temperatures that we see here, well, they're warmer than will be our high temperatures on Saturday and Sunday. 81 degrees Wauchula, Myakka, Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch, 85 in Sarasota, 82 in Venice, 82 in Inglewood, 82 in Northport, 84 in Punta Gorda. I bet you that on Saturday or Sunday, our daytime high temperatures will probably not even hit the 80-degree mark. That's how cool the air mass will be that comes our way. Now, it's not going to be a cold blast of air, that's for sure. But it will certainly be about 10 degrees cooler than we have seen. We have this frontal boundary located just back to our north. That's indicated by the convergence of moisture in the atmosphere on our water vapor imagery. As it sinks south, it moves into an area over the state of Florida that's very dry, indicated here by the tan colors. That's why we're not going to get a whole lot of rainfall today. The air is just too dry to support those showers marching across the state. And as this front moves through this dry air, I doubt we see much more than just a sprinkle or passing shower Friday night into Saturday morning. We'll put in a rain chance at about 20%, but even that I think might be generous as that front sinks south. Best place for showers today will be in the very southern tip of the state where moisture is thicker. There you may see an isolated shower or two actually cross all the way across the state. But to the north of that, a lot of sunshine, not a whole lot of cloud cover, and very little rain chance. We have this big ridge of high pressure that's kind of sandwiched between two areas of low pressure. One, we've been watching that for some tropical development. So far, we have not seen much in the way of any kind of organization. The winds aloft just too strong to allow those clouds to talk to each other and get any kind of organization going on down there around a center of low pressure. There's still time for that to happen, but not as much time as there was yesterday, and the chances for it to happen have been reduced by the Hurricane Center from 80% yesterday down to 50% today. And the reason is we have this low pressure area and cold front that's advancing. And once it gets close enough to the state of Florida, the upper level winds are going to start ticking up a little bit, and that's not helpful to low pressure areas, tropical low pressure areas. This front is going to benefit the Northeast dramatically by increasing the amount of rain showers that it gets, and eventually maybe even this low will lift far enough up that it too will help provide the Northeast, which has been in a drought situation with a little bit more rainfall as well. For us, the frontal boundary means a quick shot of a rain shower chance Friday night, and then some much drier, cooler air for probably a 4-day period, maybe even 5-day period. Mostly sunny, still dry, another warm afternoon, and for boaters, winds kind of breezy, about 10 to 15 knots. That'll give you a moderate chop with 2-foot seas. And the forecast calls for that Friday evening passage with a slight chance of showers, then breezy Saturday as the cooler air filters in. Daytime highs in the 70s, nighttime lows in the upper 50s to near 60. And unlike the last couple of shots of cooler air, this one will probably keep our temperatures down a little bit for 3, 4, maybe 5 days in a row. Back to you, Scott.